Hello everyone, I'm the Japanese man. This is my first time to show my face on my channel. Thank you for always watching my video. I hope you enjoy my videos. Actually, I'm at Brisbane Airport right now. The reason why I'm shooting this video is because I'm going to Japan for my business for 3 weeks, so I can't post my cooking videos. So instead of doing that, I'm gonna show you how my business trip going on my channel for 3 weeks. So I'm departing right now, so see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.